Thanks, Paul. I'm going to show you the basics of how tickets are created and managed with Intercom. Let's start by looking at what a customer sees when they create a ticket. Imagine I'm a customer of Exemplary Bank and I need to get in touch with customer support to request a transfer limit increase on my account. I'd open up the messenger, start a new conversation, and select the correct option from this inbound custom bot. Until today, and the introduction of tickets, selecting this option would transfer this conversation directly to a support agent who need to collect more information from me before being able to process my request. And if this agent isn't available straight away, I'm going to have to wait a while before I even get a response. But new from today, with Intercom Tickets, when I select this option, I can be asked to complete a ticket form, which collects all the information needed to process the request without any initial involvement from an agent. Once submitted, I'm presented with a digital ticket receipt directly in the conversation. This is also sent via email, which gives me reassurance that my request has been captured and will be worked on. If I ever want to check on the status of my request, I can come back to the ticket card in the messenger. Now, let's switch over to look at the bank's experience. Here I am, a member of the bank's customer support team in the Intercom inbox that you already know and use every day. We've designed tickets to fit perfectly into your existing workflows. Now notice that Intercom has already done a bunch of work for me here. You can see the ticket I just created is coming at the top of this new ticket view and has been automatically assigned to a team responsible for handling transfer limit requests. The agent can also switch to table mode to see and sort by attributes of these tickets in table columns, making them extremely efficient to prioritize and manage. When an agent picks this up, they can change the status to in progress. This will update the status of the ticket for the end user in the messenger and would send them an email if they were offline. Now, because the agent has all the information they need, they can quickly progress the request internally. And when they've finished their work, they can mark the ticket as resolved, which would again update the end user. So the bank now has a happy customer who is kept informed of progress every step of the way, whilst the bank support team has been able to handle the process far more efficiently. Win-win. This new workflow with bots and ticket forms is just one way you can use tickets, and it's only scratching the surface of what's possible. I'm going to show you 3 more quick-fire examples of how tickets can be created. So first, let's look at composing a new ticket. Tickets don't just have to come from customer conversations. Support agents can also create tickets on behalf of customers without any inbound conversation. For example, imagine a customer has called up requesting an account closure. Support agents can create a ticket for this themselves. They can choose what ticket they want from this list and then fill out this custom form to create a new ticket. Next, we've got a customer support conversation that has come in about possible fraudulent activity. The agent wants to keep supporting the customer, whilst a back office team investigates the customer's problem. The support agent can create a child ticket for this. They select suspected fraud, fill out the form, and then create the ticket. Now this means the support agent can keep chatting to the customer while themselves tracking the progress the fraud team is making on the underlying issue. Now finally, agents can also convert existing conversations into tickets if the customer problem is complex and needs to be worked on asynchronously. So for example, a customer support conversation comes in with feedback about a problem with the bank's app, like we're seeing here. The CS rep can thank the customer for their feedback and convert the conversation to a ticket. They hit Convert to Ticket, select Customer Feedback, then enter any details required. The ticket can then be triaged by a team who handle customer feedback, and any updates on a fix for the problem can be communicated to the customer at a later stage. So that's the basics of how tickets work. They can be created by customers in the messenger, by CS reps in the inbox, as children of conversations, and from existing conversations. But that's just the beginning. Like everything with Intercom, tickets are fully customizable, enabling you to create ticket types and workflows that are fully unique to your business. That's it from me. Back over to Paul.